This 2027 Jayco Seneca Prestige 37M is a Super CRV. It is located in Casselberry, Florida, 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features Sleep 6, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2027 Jayco Seneca Prestige 37M is built on a Freightliner S2RV Plus chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.